Hi, can I have 2 beefy burrito?
Burrito, please. Bananas. Taco Bell small cookie crunch, please.
All right, are we going to Dunkin' first, or are we going back to Taco Bell?
Dunkin's on the way.
Can I get another beefy burrito?
What the fuck is that window down?
I don't know.
Oh, it's because you ordered through it.
Oh yeah, that's right. I just want my cream filled donut, please.
Yo, what?
My cream filled donut.
All right, well you're picking it up out the window too. It's all you.
Okay.
We'll just go through the drive-thru.
Why? You went to take a bite and we went. Oh.
We should walk into a fancy ass restaurant dressed like this.
Let's go to Johnny's downtown.
Like, we'd like to see your menu before we order, please.
Oh.
I'm not eating chef's thing.
I just come up and like, do you have money? I'll just be like, yeah. Do you see all these singles? Do you see all these singles? I'd be like, get out.
I've done so much coke through these.
We could probably get like a whole ass fucking line out of these dollar bills. You never.
We can get a mile-long line. No, probably not. Maybe like 200 feet. 200 feet of straight coke. How would that feel? Like
Probably not so good, Josh. Probably not
falling
good.
off a
Can I
cliff,
get another
baby.
beefy burrito? I want to go back.
I'm not paying for it.
Why? Just $1.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
I'll give you quarters.
How much did yours cost?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because it was $8 for 3 tacos and a drink.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
I don't know.
Just one. Please, sir.
I mean, if you want an impacted abdomen.
Abdomen. Well, you're on a roll today.
Abdomen. Yeah.
Abdomen.
Hey, that's where I get my haircuts. The Regal Beagle. There's a bar inside. That's why I like it.
Do they feed you anything?
They give me drinks. They're all
Give
free.
you water. Water.
Nope. Pure cocaine. Josh, I swear to fucking God. I'm not ordering this time. You are yelling over me.
Okay, that's fine.
Not you, Rachel.
No, but I want
Well, I mean, you
something.
can too.
Josh, what do you want?
I want a small frozen hot chocolate, please. With whip.
You can order.
Person, I literally will not be able to be heard.
1 second, please. Josh, go ahead.
Rachel, what do you want?
Medium caramelized coffee, no cream or sugar.
Hi, can I get a medium caramelized coffee, no cream and sugar? And...
Medium caramel ice, no cream and sugar.
Yeah. And a medium frozen hot chocolate, please, with whip.
Alright. Whipped cream?
Yes, please.
You said small.
Thank you.
Every time I do, it closes my eye. No, literally, look.
No, it doesn't, Rachel. Your eyes are open.
No, the head.
What?
The head.
Josh, you're picking it up too.
Okay.
Give him your money.
I'm giving. Please don't look at my card. Oh my god!
No, just flashed it out. Nobody can see it, Rachel.
Oh, my hands.
Also, they don't know the 3-digit code on the back.
Someone's gonna take my $8.67. I'm just kidding. I actually have kind of a lot of money right now.
I don't know this man.
How much did it cost? Oh my god! Speaking of dicks. Oh god, that was.
I'm clearing out the cup holder for you.
There you go. Thank you.
Such a massive
Here you
bite.
go.
Oh, this was a straw. Stop it!
Stop
It's not funny.
Not funny.
I just got the urge to list off my social security number. I'm not gonna do that.
Mine is...
I really hope he's kidding.
Me too. That sounded legit. Thank you.
Mine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow. Is that everything? We good? Get your drink.
Do you see my coffee?
I thought maybe he had just like was hoarding it back there.
She gave us 2 extra straws.
Oh, so she hates turtles.
It's for practice.
Bitch, what the fuck?
Why was my blinker on? Fun fact, that's the password.
Why is this so chaos?
Fun fact, that's the password for our Instagram account. Speaking of dicks, and then there's a little bit more. So.
69.
No.
We gotta change that.
No, we're just gonna elevator music again.
I would like another beefy Frito burrito.
You're not getting shit.
I'm paying for it.
Alright.
I would like to try one.
I would like to see it.
I would like to see.
So is Rachel paying this time around?
Yep.
No. Bitch, the fuck? I'm paying for my beefy Frito burrito.
That's so gross. What is that?
That is repulsive.
Oh, it's just a
Ew.
little cardboard.
It's loud.
Don't put it on my fucking drink.
What did you do to my drink?
What did you?
It's brown! Why is it brown?
Because it's your fucking drink spill. You stained my good shirt! Rachel! Yeah, but you stained my shirt.
We're going back to Taco Bell.
Rachel's fucking phone died after she stained my shirt. Should I crop this?
Crop what?
This?
Oh, no. It's alive. My phone died.
While I was screaming. Fucking chaos. Oh, wow. Really?
Oh my god! I almost just fucked.
I know. I saw Rachel's entire body go just like all at once and then bam.
I love you.
Going back to Taco Bell.
Guys, we're turning into the drive-thru right now, and I'm getting another beefy Frito.
Rachel, are you paying for me or not? Please. You said you have a lot of money.
My card. Here's my payment for my beefy Frito burrito.
Oh my god, I can't split it up.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Just 1 second, please. Can I have 2 soft taco supremes with no tomato?
Okay.
And do you guys have those like cinnamon swirl crunch things?
Yes, I do.
Can I get an order of those, please?
Okay.
And
2 beefy Frito burritos.
and 2 beefy Frito burritos. You pronounced it right this time. I'm so nervous.
I'm so proud of
You have no idea how nervous I
I'm
was
gonna hide my face.
to say that. I was like, what if I mess you up? What if I came through again?
One time Daniel went through the same Taco Bell 4 times in one day.
I kind of wanted to come back. Just be like, hi, can I have like fries?
Oh, were you here when they had nacho fries? Because those
I
shits
think I
slap.
actually-
Those are so terrible. They're so bad.
I sense an argument.
No, it's
Smell
not.
it, smell it.
Should I put this on my story?
Screenshot it if you're a real fan.
It's so bad. We'll take a better one.
No, that's the point of it, Rachel.
We'll take a better egg pick.
Oh my god. Can I be in this one?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nobody knock that over. Oh my god, I said no one knock.
Look at him.
Oh my god!
This man has a hood on and his helmet over his hood. Bless his heart.
Wait, we have to take another egg pick now that I'm fully donned my garb.
Can you give me my hoodie that's in my bag? Oh wait, it's in here. Wait, hold on. Is it in here?
I should just put it ton of egg pics on my story. Like 15.
I'm gonna put this one on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Am I gonna be in a different fucking outfit? Oh my god, I'm gonna like be putting this on and she's
Wait.
trying to hand me my bag. I have to go so quickly. I can't get my arm in. Josh, she's gonna come laugh at me.
Wait, I took that one off my story so that we can all be in.
Wait, hold on a sec. I'm not ready for my egg yet. Wait, Rachel!
This is for
Oh my
Emma.
God, she's back. Thank you. Where are we? Thank you. Where are we going? Alright.
This one isn't as good. The other one was so picturesque.
Rachel, I know where to go. Back where it all started. Josh, we're taking you to a sacred location.
It's a green light. I'm not taking the picture right now.
Come on, just do it. Hey, look, is that from Ranch?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Oh
That's a good
my god.
That's a really good one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I was
Oh
going,
my
for my,
god.
going for my crunchy thingies.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Shit!
Oh, yes. Josh, your eyes are closed. Is that okay?
That's fine. I'm living in the moment.
You look so invested in your fucking drink. And you're like, who are you Snapchatting? Oh, it's Emma. Hello, Emma.
Wait, send a Snapchat to Abby. Did you get ours from yesterday,
Yes.
Rachel?
Abby, who?
Abby, I look like a fucking ghost. Look who I'm with.
Hi! Hi, Abby!
Alright. I'm going back to where it all started.
Oh my god, is this the...
YMCA.
I look like a ghost.
With the most.
What?
I don't know. Should we hit this bitch?
We are not here to work out.
No,
Just
we're
for the
not.
record.
Wow!
Do I know this bitch? No. Look at how this bitch parked.
What the fuck? The line is in the middle of their car. You are a piece of shit.
Oh my god. This person's just sitting there.
Well,
Please drive away.
I looked over. They have gone to heaven shouting.
I got it.
What just happened?
I caught your taco that I threw at you.
I have two.
Oh, that was good.
No, you don't.
I do.
Well, they only gave us one.
There's two bags, Breslin.
Yeah, and this one has my other stuff in it, my crunchy thingies. Hold on. Where's that?
Oh my
receipt?
god, it's an old ass woman just got into the.
Two beefy
That Kia. The one next to us, that's so shit.
The one that was walking up here. Oh.
I have a thing I do to say to Taco Bell. I guess we have to go back.
God.
Where's the fucking receipt?
I don't know. I was trying to find it and I actually
Give me
cannot
the
find
fucking
it.
receipt, Breslin.
Cheated out of a whole ass burrito.
Is it?
A beefy burrito.
No, that was from the
The
first one. That was from the first one. Where did it go? Is it in here? They show it in there.
Fucking no.
What? It doesn't hurt to
Are they in the bags?
Is this it? You just put that there. No, it's not.
Is it this?
Maybe. Yes.
No, this is Dunkin'.
What's this one? Is that McDonald's? That's from another day. Yeah.
I'm like Ariana Grande right now. You have to like pull up your.
I swear I said 2 beefy Frito burritos.
You have to like
I don't
pull
know
your
what I
eyes
said.
up. Not.
What
not
are
to
you
the side.
doing?
You have to pull them up.
That's my taco. I got 2 tacos. She said,
I just want to make sure the receipt's not in
it's
there.
not. No.
No.
Is this it? What's this? No, that's did it fall down there? Did it fall down to your feet? Is it like under here?
Underwear.
Fucking crying. I just wasted $1.
I don't think they charged us for it.
How would you know?
That could have been spent on a whole nother
Oh my God.
burrito.
Wait, Preston, did you get your change? Oh my God!
Charge 'em. Okay.
It was like 2 pennies. I put it in here. Yeah.
What?
Because we didn't get a receipt, and I didn't
No,
get
we
my...
didn't get the receipt. I just don't know where the fuck it went. Oh, wait. I think I found it. That's definitely it.
The big reveal. What does it say?
Is that it?
Tell
Oh,
us
that's
about-
definitely it.
Tell us.
It says 1.
It says
beefy.
1.
It says 1.
This is your fault.
And 2 beefy Frito burritos.
I said 2.
Clearly not.
2 beefy Frito burritos.
My phone has to keep charging. Is it still charging? What about now?
And it is now.
It was in portrait mode. The stars at night are big and bright, deep in the heart of Texas. Oh, my tummy sang along.
Let's just take a still really quick. Oh.
Ew.
Ew. Mukbang. Oh! I just kept it. Oh. 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 Wait, which one is that? Oh. I wanted to lick Chris Evans. Chris Evans, if you're watching this, I love you.
Yeah, I'm sure that Chris Evans is watching this video.
Let's just tag him. It's so funny though. If he was watching this video, he probably would have not gotten this far.
I got a text from my stepmom, so we'll be back. Hit the button. Hit the button. Hit the button.
What?
Hit the button. What? Hit the button. Alright, we're back. Okay. Why is this so gross? Yeah. It's just, you're all dirty. Ready? I'm Ariana Grande. And you're watching Disney's channel.
You're watching Disney Channel.
She was never on Disney.
Yes, she was.
With what?
Victorious. That was Nickelodeon.
That was
Oh my
Nickelodeon.
god! You did not just say Victoria.
You were so confident too. So yes,
Wait,
you
what
were-
was Sam and Cat? Was that
That was
Nickelodeon too?
Nickelodeon.
Why do I keep taking such massive bites?
Excuse me, one moment, please.
Whoa, it's gone. I cannot believe I just ate 3 beefy Frito burritos. I'm so full.
You were yelling at a person.
No, that's the geese.
But also, I also thought you went out and just yelled, Sharon! And I was like, where?
Who's Sharon?
I bet money there's someone named Sharon in this parking lot right now.
Yeah.
Did we
only
tell the people
Sharons
where
would
we
go to
are?
an RTA.
Oh,
I said
we're back
RTA.
at the YMCA parking lot.
Buzz. Back where it all started. Back where it all began.
This is
Ooh.
definitely not what I ordered. I didn't get what I ordered this morning either, so.
Elevator music. There's dairy in it.
I'm not lactose intolerant anymore.
You don't lactose?
No, I have on my
You
toes.
avoid your toes?
They grew back.
Like a lizard.
Q. We're good. Like a lizard.
Well, the toes grew back like a lizard. I should fly it. I'm gonna
You look
fly it.
straight right now, which is funny.
Hmm?
You don't.
Please don't fart.
Oh, okay. Too late. No, I'm kidding. Oh, where'd my straw go?
Are we not in the hazard?
No. Our parking spot. Sexy. Turn the fucking hazards off.
Did you get your cinnamon things?
So tiny. No.
One.
You have this one.
You just waste. Oh no, it's right here.
In the garbage bag.
And?
I don't see a problem with that. Ew, those are nasty.
What, you have a thing against garbage?
Yes.
Recycling. Recycle, reduce, reuse, and recycle!
Also, there's no dairy in this. This is black coffee.
But you said no cream.
Yeah, I said no cream.
I'm pretty sure they gave you cream. Meaning you'd get the shit.
But there's not. Does it look like there's cream in this?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Looks a little creamy.
Oh.
Looks a little creamy to me. Elevator music.
It's like eating popcorn.
Lamar Kendrick just Snapchatted me.
No way. Can we Snapchat him back and be like, hey, we're making your video?
Hee Ellie. Oh, I got a bomb.
He's got a bomb!
Oh, shit.
I'm so bored. I hate high school so much. I'm so very bored. Hello, Lamar.
Imagine being in school.
That, ooh.
This is
Hello.
us
Good morning.
making your video.
We just did the cover of
Yeah,
Party
it
in
was
the USA.
so good.
Make sure to like and,
And-
subscribe.
And our video's going right now, so this is gonna be on.
Hello, Lamar. Hello, Lamar. Hello, Lamar.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, wait. Get the straw. Get your straw. Get your fucking straw.
I don't know what my fucking straw
Get your fucking straw.
is.
We're making a video. Get your fucking... Imagine being in school.
This is us making your video.
We just did the cover.
Oh, ew, it's still going.
No. Look at that bad boy. Looks like some DNA.
Yeah, see right
Well, that'll be a surprise for Rachel when she watches it later, because she definitely did not see that.
And that's all I'm gonna say. Period.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's a big one. Dinner. There's so much shit on your phone.
It's just water.
Yeah, Bweslin, it's just water. Oh, come on.
Half of this video is just us burping.
Yeah.
Would you like a sip?
I did it! I passed the level! It took 3 days!
Oh, wait. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh!
What the fuck was that?
Oh my god.
Rachel, I am waiting.
Oh my god.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. There we go. You fucking broke my pencil, bitch!
I stomped on that bitch so hard.
Just like Isaac in that marker.
What?
Just like Isaac in that Marco. Isaac, if you're watching, you know what we're talking about. Hello, Emma. Hello, Emma. Hello, Emma.
This
Hello,
is so
Emma.
bright. My eyes are
Hello.
turning to water.
Hello. Oh, I don't have eyebrows anymore.
Oh my god, my eyes hurt.
This is my radio voice. Oh.
God!
Radio Rebel.
The W. Ryan
All we
exclusive.
hear is so funny without sound.
Sometime later.
This video is going to be so
We have over an
fucking-
hour of footage.
This one should go up today.
Okay.
Yay.
I want to edit it.
It's funny because this
Ah! Ow! You have a drink!
that was not coffee.
Dummy.
Ew. What the fuck was that?
Oh my
Pepsi.
Just
So much peppers. Don't even know what to do with
I
it.
told my dad I was gonna go to the Y today.
Well,
my
I mean,
promise.
You didn't lie. So,
Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. Can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible. Oh fuck! Oh my god! I cracked myself up.
me, Josh.
What? What?
Oh, nothing.
The caramel is settling.
Caramel.
Want some cinnamon sugar?
Did you say? You want me to suck on your fingers?
No, I meant
Yo, this is a very
Get in the trunk.
special,
I don't fucking care.
special,
Get in the trunk.
Ryder, get in the
special
trunk.
vlog. We have so many guests today.
I just so fast. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta get ready.
Okay, I will.
Oh, fucking Christ. Come on, get in.
Jesus Christ.
These people are gonna be just like, what the fuck are these crackheads? Get in. Oh, it's Miss Brooks' gift. Ah! Lily, let's go. Come on. Get in. Get in. Close the door. Where the fuck do y'all live? Oh my god.
Good. I live on Park Haven Row.
Where the fuck is that?
It's the one that dead ends into the high school.
Oh, I know where that is. Okay. Oh my god.
Why are you all the way over here?
What? Why are you there?
Welcome to the vlog.
Do you guys follow our vlog channel or no?
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hidden Valley Bread. We're getting there.
What are you
We're
doing?
getting big.
Oh, it's like a combination.
8 subscribers.
And Aurora's back
8.
there.
We have
It's
49
pretty
subscribers. Out of 49 followers.
We do not have 49
That's what we have.
subscribers. We have 8 subscribers. I
that
don't know who they are. Who are you? Who are the subscribers?
Oh my god, that
Please
one guy
claim.
commented on our post. But again,
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
yeah!
Subscribing.
Yeah.
They're so
it's
fucking
so
funny.
good.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We haven't done anything
Wait, are you
since
guys
December.
subscribing
Anyway,
Anyway.
I'm gonna sneeze. Maybe not.
This is fucking wild. Ryder, Aurora, how you guys doing?
Great.
Sounds good.
No!
What?
Rachel, we're lesbians.
I could get you like a winter hat.
No,
Oh,
we
like a
need like a
baseball hat?
like a fedora.
Oh, I have one of those.
Oh, that'll work.
You on it?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
All right, I'll go get it.
Do you know where Barrio is?
Yeah.
That's my street.
All right. Wait, can I see the hat?
Oh no!
Wait, Rachel.
Fuck yes!